come to you across Rohan Mitra. Do you think that the Congress can absolve themselves after leader, Sajjan Kumar in his case, twice he has been convicted? Can the Congress absolve itself of the stain? Hua to hua, is that good enough?
Meghna, when you call me to your show, right, let's get this straight. I am a congressman, but I'm not here to defend what is wrong. Okay. You definitely showed what Mr. Rajiv Gandhi said in your show to begin with about the big tree falls. And there has been an apology made. And also the fact is Mr. Rajiv Gandhi is no longer alive anymore. He was murdered. All right. Secondly, you showed a clip of Mr. Rahul Gandhi where he acknowledged where the fault of the Congress party was acknowledged, the fault of the Congress leader was acknowledged. You know, you guys want to make this, you know, when the matters come about the BJP, about raking up the past, it's all and fine. But, you know, when the Congress party has apologized, Congress party has
BJP your best defense?
I'm not here
I mean, honestly, is BJP going to be the best defense? This is what BJP does. So we send a man who had pain, who had blood on his hands, thrice to the parliament.
That is the easier option for me. You're changing my, you're changing the tone of my conversation. I started the conversation by saying that I'm not here to defend somebody who's not here, who's been, sentenced to prison or whatever. He's a criminal, right? In court. So I'm not here to defend him because that's the court's job. If his lawyers couldn't save him, who am I to save him here? And if he's responsible, he must bear the punishment. My question to you is, when the apology has been made, you want to rake it up and make it that everyone today who's in the Congress is at fault for what happened in 1984. That is not right. Okay. That is a propaganda.
Charu,
that is your part of your narrative.
That's propaganda. Yes, it happened in the court, but this is propaganda. Charu, hua to hua, it's happened so long back. It's been 41 years. Why even bother with all of this? Hua to hua. Why keep breaking it up now?
Meghna, let me begin by thanking the Honorable Court today because even though it has taken 40 years, justice is going to be served to the perpetrators of the 84 riots, not riots, genocide. Let me also thank our government because they thought to open these files again. Decades after, more than 8,000 Sikhs were butchered only for being Sikhs. Decades after, while Congress continued to reward those with plum political positions, those who were the orchestrators of this genocide. You make them an MP, you make them campaign leaders, you make them kings in their castles, not once acknowledging that our country burned at their behest. I cannot use strong words which are strong enough in a situation like this. But here I also want to point out one thing. Here today, Rahul Gandhi wants to walk around like some kind of a messiah of the minority in India.
But Charu, Rahul Gandhi says that it is under your regime. It is under BJP's regime that Sikhs feel fearful. That Sikhs today are fearing going to Gurdwara. But they are accusing you of that.
I wanted to remind everyone of Rahul Gandhi's recent statement on foreign soil in America when he says that the situation in India is so bad that Sikhs are afraid to wear turbans, forgetting that on the behest of his father, all these leaders which have been crowned and rewarded by the Congress governments consecutively year after year were the ones who just justified it by saying, "Jab ek bada ped girta hai." That is the situation where Congress stood, and today Rahul Gandhi wants to make all these big dialogues. I believe that this is justice a little bit late, but much appreciated, and this is only the beginning. This is only the beginning. Everybody needs to come under the purview of law. Every single person who held a firearm in their hands or facilitated firearms in the hands of those writers and genociders, they need to be brought to task today. It doesn't matter if it's 40 years too late. It needs to be done now.
But